While you can always create a chore chart from scratch, you can also just use a template that's available for free using Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. So to do that, I have Excel open here and I would go File and then New. And then right here I can search for online templates. So I'm just going to write chores. And you can see that there are a bunch of different options. Now, it doesn't really matter which one I choose. You would just choose one that works best for your family. So I'll just do weekly chore list right here. And then you click create and then it downloads this. And then of course there are things that maybe you want to change your names. Or you want to remove something or you want to change the colors, you can do that. These templates are here so that they can be editable and of good use for you. If you wanted to use Microsoft Word, it's the same idea. You just go to File and then New and then search for what you want. I just searched for chores for both of these, and then you can see that there are just a bunch of different ideas here. You can also go to the internet and find some ideas for some chore lists, some task lists, whatever you want to call them. But this is just an easy way to get these things without having to go to the internet. You can also do this using Google Docs or Google Sheets, which is similar to Excel, but this is how you would do it using Microsoft Office.